This is the Bitcoin update on the 3-minute chart. So we're very focused in a very small time frame. Of course, last night I let y'all know that I went long on this trade. So let me just point out some key levels on this extremely small time frame. This is one of them, 103.839. And this is our new, so this is the 0.5. And here we had an alert saying possible start of the trend. I absolutely love the fib pulls and the fib levels. Price ended up coming up to 0.5 exactly, pulled back, and this was just my alert. It's not even a level where I found, from one of these kind of bodies. But look how well this price action is respecting my alert. It got rejected here, then it's kind of getting rejected here, and then it finds a little bit of support, then it finds support, then it finds support, and then of course it lost it. But man, I love it. I love levels because they can show you the momentum, the strength of the move. Now, one thing that I do want to show is when the price came up and then came down, broke below. Well, this is the main level. So this is our level that we're really watching. This is just what I put on there just for the alert. This is the main level I'm watching. It came down to this main level, found support, lost it barely, but then found support again, found support again. Now we're doing higher lows, higher highs, which is good. Higher lows, higher highs. And then it comes up here and then it breaks this level, which is also a trend line, breaks this level, but we don't panic. We don't freak out because we have levels. This is the level that we needed it to bounce off of. However, it didn't. And again, the price can do whatever it wants. So as it's coming down, now what it's doing, it's actually coming down to the 618. So that's very important. It came down to 618, broke slightly below it, and then came back up in. Now we're looking at this leg, this extension leg, and this is what I teach all the time. And for me, this is extremely important. You get your fib retracement with the magnet tool. You go from the top to the bottom, and this is, well, let's just go and do it. So fib retracement, magnet tool from the absolute top to the bottom. And we can see that the price action went past the 382. At first, it looked like it was going to bounce off of the 382 coming down. Then it went to the 0.5, found support basically on this level, again, key level for this very small time frame. And now what I want to show is extremely important. I always talk about where your price goes down, up, down. So this is, up, down. So lower high, which is fine. Then here is our decision point. 50% of this move, about our decision point, is it going to come up to attack this level, or is it going to roll over? That's what we're always looking for. Anytime there's a move, this is what we're looking for. Price came down, came up, started to roll over, 382, and then now what is it going to do? Is it going to attack this level to attack this level, or is it going to attack this level to attack the further, the lower levels? This is the level that we don't want to break, but this is the main level. And this is another thing that I want to point out. Here is our low, and here is our high. This is, if we look on a higher time frame, we can see this much easier. On the lower time frame, we have all this ups and downs. The price can travel anywhere in here and still be potentially bullish, potentially the change of the trend, because that's what price does. This is market structure. So anywhere between here and here, we can see the price moving up. Then, of course, as it's creating this level, we don't want it to break this level. It broke the level, but then it came right back in. But the main levels are right here at the moment, which are identified in white, 105.461 and also 103.839. Now, currently, the price is starting to take off. I would, once again, expect, and again, whenever I say expect, that doesn't mean it's going to happen. It just means that it might. Price to make a higher high, come up here, maybe get rejected, or maybe even go higher, but maybe get rejected, come back down, not respect this trend line. I'm thinking maybe come down to the 50% level of this move, which would be roughly around here, to come up. And now what are we going to do? Are we going to attack this level? To attack this level? And I think we are. I think we're going to start doing this. I think we're going to go up. Again, nobody knows what's going to happen. If we did, we'd all be millionaires. I do thank you very much. I should be going live right at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in about 45 minutes, we can cover this again. And if you have any questions, please ask it in the VIP chat. If you have any questions, please ask it on the live streams. I greatly appreciate everybody, joining in on the live streams, because it truly does help support the channel. Whenever you're engaging with any of the videos, it helps put it out in front of other people. I do thank you very much. Our goal is to not bamboozle anybody, but to show them how to trade. Do we win? Sure. Do we lose? Unfortunately, but it's part of the game. I show you the realistic part of trading. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next video. This video was strictly only for the VIP members. Then I decided to, we'll put it to the YouTube members. Of course, the higher level you are on YouTube members, the more information you get from the VIP group. The ultimate goal is for you to be in the VIP. And if you're interested in the VIP, this is the information. Do you need to join this to learn how to trade? No. 100%, you do not need to join my group to learn how to trade. Unlike all the other groups out there, in order to learn how to trade, you have to join their paid group, not me. This is if you want access to me almost 24/7. This is if you want the exact price, when to enter, add on the 15-minute candle close of this very specific level. There is zero chance you could misinterpret my callouts, because I give you very detailed information. Also, if you want, moving up your stop losses, selling 50% of your position in case the market ends up turning. I'm in the market all day, so I'm able to see this type of stuff. Do I get it all the time? No. Am I accurate all the time? No. I don't sell you any hopes and dreams and empty promises. This is extremely important, because everybody else who has something to sell you, they're going to tell you only the good stuff so they can, sell you a membership. I don't have anything to sell. If you want this, great. Do you need this to learn how to trade? No. Just watch my live streams. Watch my live streams every single day. Ask me questions. That's the biggest thing. Ask questions. That way, you're not paying a mentor $99 an hour, and you can get it for free. And before you join my group, see if the stuff that I'm doing works. That's the biggest thing. Don't waste your money. See if it works. Ask me questions. Test me. Test to see if I know what I'm talking about. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys.